Mastering English. Understanding, make a comparison. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a very common phrase in English, make a comparison. This phrase is widely used in both everyday conversations and formal writings. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it effectively in your own communication. Let's get started. Make a comparison is a phrase that means examining the similarities and differences between two or more things. It's like putting things side by side to see how they are alike or different. When we make a comparison, we're often trying to show why one thing is better, worse, or just different from another. This is a fundamental skill in English, useful in various contexts, from everyday decisions to academic research. To understand this better, let's look at some examples. 1. Comparing products. I need to make a comparison between these two smartphones before I decide which one to buy. 2. Academic writing. The essay requires students to make a comparison between two different theories. 3. Everyday decisions. Let's make a comparison of the costs and benefits before we plan our vacation. These examples show how making comparisons helps us in decision-making, understanding concepts, and expressing opinions. Making comparisons in English involves certain structures. Here are some key phrases. 1. Using, then, this book is more interesting than that one. 2. Using, aces, this car is as expensive as the other one. 3. Using comparative and superlative adjectives, she is the smartest in her class. Remember, the structure changes slightly depending on what you're comparing. When making comparisons, be careful about these common mistakes. 1. Incorrect comparative forms. Avoid saying, more better, or most fastest. It should be better, or fastest. 2. Mismatched comparisons. Ensure that the things you are comparing are logically comparable. For example, don't compare apples to oranges, unless you're discussing fruit in general. I hope this video helps you understand how to make a comparison in English. This is a powerful tool in language that can enhance your communication, whether in writing or speaking. Practice making comparisons in your daily life, and you'll find it becomes a natural part of your English expression. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.